Maya! Help! I broke the universe! I just wanted to find my last chocolate chip cookie with my super flashlight. And now the whole house is ghost town dark.
The universe is fine, Alex. You didn't break the world. You just broke the loop. It's called a circuit. It's the secret energy racetrack that electricity needs to move and make things work. Electricity is like a team of tiny race cars. They can only move if the track goes in a perfect circle. If there's a gap, the cars stop. Will the light turn on if the cars can't get across? Point to yes or no.
I'll build a bridge. Go, little energy cars! Drive across my bridge of fluff!
Energy can't drive on string, Alex. It needs a conductor, like metal, to keep the circle closed. No loop, no light.
Give me some super speed facts, Maya!
Fact 1. Electricity is a speed demon. It travels at 186,000 miles per second. That's almost the speed of light. Faster than a rocket! Fact 2. Some fish, like electric eels, are like living batteries. They make their own circuits to hunt. Nature's flashlight. Fact 3. A single bolt of lightning has enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread.
Follow the loop and see the light. Circuits keep the world so bright.
Your mission is to find one thing in your house that needs a circuit to work. And if you want to see the scary electricity that makes your hair stand up, subscribe and watch our static electricity video right here.
Stay bright, explorers! Bye!